Hey, today we're going to learn about our coughing sound. Okay, this one's a little tricky, so I need you to listen. Ready? So when we do our K sound, our coughing sound, it is in the back of our mouth. Our tongue is in the back. So one way that we do that, we're going to open our mouth really big, and we're going to use our finger to hold our tongue tip down, because our tongue tip doesn't help us with our K sound. The back of our tongue does our K sound. Ready? So we're going to open. See how Miss Kinsey held her tongue down? Ready? Let's do it one more time. It's in our back. Let's try it one more time. See how my tongue tip stayed down the whole time? Okay, so that's our coughing sound. Ready? We're going to read a book about Kangaroo Kazoo. Ready? Okay. This kangaroo has a red kazoo. She takes it everywhere. This kangaroo has a pink kazoo. He plays it at the fair. This kangaroo has a yellow kazoo. She plays it in the spring. There's lots of different colors in our book. This kangaroo has a green kazoo. It makes the katydids sing. This kangaroo has a blue kazoo to play on the deep blue sea. Okay, let's say our K sound 5 times. Ready? Remember, in the back. Good job. This kangaroo has a purple kazoo from the purple... Oh, I can't read that backwards. From the purple kazuka tree. That's a new word. This kangaroo has a orange kazoo, and now he has a chance. What's gonna happen? To join the best band in the land and play at the kangaroo dance. Okay, let's do our K sound 5 times. Ready? Nice job. They play all day, they never stop, while the kangaroo king does the kangaroo hop. Then the king's kooky kin all kick up their heels. They do the kazuki pookie and the kazarama reel. That's a new, different kind of dance. Ready? Let's do our K sound 5 times. Ready? Nice job. Red or yellow, green or orange, purple, pink or blue, you can have all kinds of fun with the kangaroo kazoo. Okay, oh, one more page. Oh, let's find our K's. Ready? Miss Kinsey's going to bring it close so we can find our K's. There we go. Make it a little centered. There you go. Let's see. I see some kangaroos and a koala bear and a kite. Oh, what else do we see? I see a book. There's a K with that ends in our K, and there's kazoo. Oh my goodness. I see music notes with the K at the end. Ooh, and a king and a cape. Or a robe, I guess. Lots of things. Okay, let's do our cheer. Are you ready? K is for king and kangaroo. K is for kettle, key, and kazoo. K is for koala. K is for kite. K is for a kiss goodnight. Hooray for K, big and small, the kookiest, kickiest letter of all. The end. Very good, you guys. Okay, we're going to do our K sound. Remember, our K is in the back of our mouth. We're going to use our finger to help our tongue do its job. Ready? Let's do it 5 times. Ready? Nice job, you guys.